no leave out. Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. Get into this no leave out V part. I have so much to show you guys in this video. You see this? It's like a kinky straight U-part wig. I love the texture. You see in the back it comes with adjustable straps. You got a comb in the back and on the two sides, and at the top you have clips. Alright, so let's flexi ride this. Okay, so first thing first, I'm going to just take out like a perimeter section. See, really thin, and I'll pull that through my braid. Since I'm not going to have any leave out. I got my flexi rods. Fluff Stuff by Erica J. Let's talk about this hair really quick. So when I had this wig installed, I wore it for about 3 days. And during that time, I'm just going to let you know this hair did not disappoint. Those curls stayed in this hair until I washed it 3 days later. So if you do get this look, trust and believe that this is good quality hair, and clearly you can wear it straight out of the pack, or you could put some extra on work into it, how I'm doing with these heatless curls, because it's a V part. All you need to do is clamp it on your head, and that's it. What you're going to see me do later on, plus a little twist by me trying to hide my natural hair, because it's curly and it's short and it just doesn't blend well. So I'm so happy I seen the video on TikTok of the girl Crochet Hair and Hair. That's why we're gonna put these curls with it so I can have even more volume. 19 flexi rods. So I'm debating, should I put my wig on first or should I do my makeup? Because this ain't nothing to it but to do it. Take these rods out and crochet the top. That's it. So I think I'm gonna do my makeup first, so then once I finish my hair, I'm done. No leave out. Don't play with me. I am not one of them. You see these edges? You see this kitchen? I am not one of them. I wrote this like 3 days ago. They're a little firm. Okay, let me do my makeup and I'll be right back. The clamps go into the 2 outer rows. These 2 clamps right here. All right, now we're left with just these 2 braids out. So first, let's go ahead and take all of these out. Okay. So what you want to do is put the crochet needle going up and then wrap the hair around it and pull it back through. See? I seen some girl do it on TikTok. Thank you, Jesus, for her. Let me tell y'all 2 things I would have done differently with this style. So one, I would have made my 2 middle braids way skinnier, and then I would have crocheted way smaller pieces into it so it wasn't so big and noticeable. In some areas you can see where I missed spots and you can see my braids. So that's why next time when I do this, because I love this method, the fact that I didn't have any hair left out, the next time I do this, I will make sure I use way smaller pieces and pay attention to the gaps that I have as well in between the braids. That would have made it look so much better. Okay, wait a minute. Who am I giving? Who am I giving right now? Okay, let's go in with a little bio silk. I love it from this angle. Now this, I gotta fix the Rick James, but girl, somebody stop me. Talk about a go-to. And no leave out. No leave out. My hair is so cute. Like, I don't need to cut it or anything. Alright y'all, so really quick update. I just pulled my hair back so I can start editing this video. It's actually really cute with like the scarf on. So just imagine if it was like a color scarf. I wonder if I can kind of get like a little Erykah Badu. Let me see. And just fluff it back since I don't have any of my hair out. Let me just... Where is Erykah Badu at? You know, this could be on some like day 3, day 4 type day. And then just imagine once you straighten it. Alright, I'm really done with this video, y'all. Leave me a comment down below and I'll see you next time.